What's going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. My name's Hayden. I'm going to talk to you exactly how you can go from 0 to 100,000 in sales from online sales. Don't believe me? Stay tuned, watch the whole video. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hayden. In the last few years, I've sold hundreds of thousands through Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, brand deals and stuff like that. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you about a step-by-step tutorial of how you can start with e-commerce, also introducing other models to generate really good money online. So let's dive into it, guys. So the first thing you've got to do is pick a minimum viable e-commerce business model. I would suggest Amazon FBA or eBay. Once you have them models, you have to start investing in your knowledge, your skills to actually understand that business model. Understand how it works. Start testing it. Start testing buying just a few items. Are you going to be flipping them on Amazon? Are you going to be flipping them on eBay? Whatever e-commerce business model you choose, I would recommend that you start learning about the minimum basics entry requirements of that model. The next step is to start documenting this on TikTok and YouTube in detail, the reality of your journey. You want to get on a camera. If you're scared to show your face, just video your stock, video your process, okay? I don't want to hear that excuse that you don't want to get your face on the camera. If you can't hear your voice, I can't help you. Get your face on the camera, at least get on the camera even if you're not showing your face. If you have a bad day, you're going out in the shops, for example, doing retail arbitrage, you don't find anything, document that part, okay? I just did that, and I'm going to sell around about probably 60,000-ish last month, and I documented that part, the bad part. And you know what? You're going to be more relatable than I am, because if you're just starting out on your journey, you are going to be so interesting to people that want to be where you are. Taking that leap of actually starting, whether they're doing e-commerce in any sort of way, Amazon, eBay, etc. Step 3, once you've started building traction on your Amazon and eBay, etc., and then you've started documenting that journey, documenting that fascinating part of the journey that so many new people want to see, now you need to start reaching out to affiliate marketing companies. These are companies that offer an affiliate marketing program within their website. Let me give you an example. I'm affiliate marketer for Helium 10. Last month, this month for recording it, probably $700-ish I should be earning just from the affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where people click on your link and then you get a certain percentage of that sale if someone clicks on your link, okay? It can be very good, but it takes time. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Nothing about this video is get rich quick, okay? It can take time, but you need to join the necessary affiliate partners that you want to work with. Now, quick note here, don't work with anyone that you haven't worked with in the past or are actually intending to work with, or that you do currently work with and I think are good. I don't promote anyone that I haven't used in the past or do use, or I know that they are good, okay? It's just not the sort of reputation that you want to build. You want a reputation of building someone that is trustable, so that if you refer something, then people are actually going to buy it because they know that you're not just referring anything that comes into your inbox, okay? That's the next stage, guys. Sign up to these affiliates, get your links, and then you want to start a Linktree account. It's about £4 a month, or you can get a free one. Now, step 4, this is the hard bit, guys. You need to stick with it. This may sound simple, it may sound oversighted, but it's not. You have to stick with this now. We're talking 3 months, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. You need to get that momentum moving. And here's what's going to happen. You're going to stick with this, okay? And when you stick with your e-commerce business, when you stick with documenting on socials, in time, that is going to build up. So you're going to have a proper e-commerce company that is generating you income. Then you're going to have a proper social media side of the business with your affiliate marketing that is going to take you income. And then in the future, from the affiliate marketing, you're also going to start earning brand deals, okay? If you are good enough, you will start earning brand deals, which means that brands will contact you or you contact brands, and they're going to pay you some sort of retainer or one-off fees for posting. On top of that, you're going to get the affiliate marketing. On top of that, you're going to start launching whatever products that you want to launch, okay? Services, coaching, products, whatever you want to do, software, you can sell it, you can launch it, you can promote it. And then the e-commerce side, that's going to build up into a proper company, okay? You can resell. You can sell other people's products. You can create your own brands. You can do whatever you want. You can sell internationally, multiple channels, etc. The world is your oyster when you master these 2 things. Everything I'm sharing you right now, if you haven't noticed by now, is exactly what I did. This should be powerful for you right now. Go to my YouTube right now, Mr. Hayden, you're watching it right now. Click the first video that I ever did and you will see me sitting in my car talking retail arbitrage vs private label, documenting my journey, talking about just getting into it. I did this from the start, but do you know what I didn't do? I didn't hit it hard enough. I should have hit it a lot harder from the start, documenting it as well as Amazon, and I would have been way ahead, okay? But my journey was my journey. You can have the freedom, you can have the e-commerce stuff, but I've been doing this for about 3.5 years now. You need to take the inspiration from how long it's taken me to do it and apply it to yourself. Be patient and keep hammering away at this, and I promise you it can work. Here's what's probably going to happen 6 months down the line, a year down the line. You're going to be getting some traction. Let's say you're working your job, and then in the evening you're working on this stuff. In the weekend you're working on this stuff. You're going to build traction, but to start with, it's going to be slow. Okay, it's going to be really, really slow. And I want you to know this because I care for you. I genuinely care for this, okay, because I've been there. It's going to be slow to start with. What's going to happen is that around about 6 months in, you might get some results, but some people, not everyone, start to get disheartened because they think the results should be faster. They're comparing themselves to other people. They're looking at bigger social media accounts. They're looking at bigger e-commerce accounts, and you might start thinking about giving up. You might start thinking that maybe this isn't good enough. You might start thinking that people are judging you. You might start thinking you're better than this. And this is where you have to be really, really strong and persist through this. If it wasn't for some of the mentors, if it wasn't for some of the friends that I've got, if it wasn't some of the people that I saw were doing this on a bigger scale than me and inspiring me, if it wasn't for the inspiration that I've got and the motivation inside myself to push forwards all the time, I probably would have given up. And I almost gave up so many times. So I'm telling you from my heart right now, please, please stick with this and you can have success, but it's not going to be overnight. There is nothing get rich quick about this. But do you know what's brilliant about this? Most 99% of people give up because of this issue, because of the fact that when they get to this stage, if they try this for 6 months, 99% of people watching this video won't do it, or they'll try it for 6 months, then give up. If you can be that one person, that 1% that sticks with this and gets to the other side, then that's what separates the men from the boys or the women from the girls. That's what happens. Stick with it, persevere through it. The mindset is everything. I don't see people sticking out to this game for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years that haven't got some level of success. You can have the freedom, you can have the cars, you can have the money, etc., but you have to stick with it. And then a world of opportunities opens up once you get past that dark patch, which sometimes I call it a dark patch, because it is hard and it's not easy, but stick with it and you can see results on the other side. That's what separates people. If you like this video, please share, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let me know if you're actually going to do this. And I want you to check in with me on this video. The opportunity is waiting. I'll see you in the next video.